Hello! Welcome to another video tutorial. So this one's all about backing up your WordPress website, and in particular setting the plugin up so that it backs up your website periodically. That's especially important if you run a blog that you obviously update on a weekly basis or a daily basis, and an e-commerce website. If you've got an e-commerce website, this is 100% something that you need to be getting on board with. So I'll jump straight in. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. You should know how to do that by now already. If you don't, it's basically your domain name /wp-admin, and then you put in your username and password, and it'll bring you to the desktop. So then we go to plugins. We install a plugin called Updraft. Best backup plugin going. Free version anyway. Because again, I always like to try and bring you these free resources. Can't type this evening. What's going on? And this is what you are looking for. Updraft WordPress Backup plugin. So we'll install the plugin. Activate the plugin. And then we will press here to start. If this doesn't pop up for whatever reason, then you can just go to installed plugins, and then it'll bring you to this part here, and then you just click settings. But most of the time this should pop up for you. So our first backup, so we'll click backup now. So basically what you want to include is your WordPress website is made up of quite a few elements, and what Updraft does is section these out for you automatically. So like your images, your database, your pages, your theme settings and things like that. So you don't really need to know much more than that. We've not set up any remote storage just yet. I'm just going to set this up in this video to do a one-off backup. You'll have to check out the next video on how to set up the remote storage, because we might need the plus version for that, but we'll see as we go through the video. So this setting here, only allow this backup to be deleted manually. I would leave that unchecked, and then we'll click backup now. And what this is doing now is creating all the zip folders for each element of the website. So when this is finished, I'll come back to the video and talk you through the next step. So once that's run, you've got the 5 different elements that you need to back up, which is your database. So it's as easy as just clicking database, download to your computer, and it will download here. It downloads to the downloads file on your computer. Do the same for the plugins. Download to your computer. Same for the themes. Here. Download to your computer. Same with the uploads. And same with the others. So these will start as the installer is working. There you go. Obviously these will vary in times depending on how large your website is. So once all these have done, I'll show you what I do next. So all 5 elements have been backed up now. So all I do at this stage is I come to my desktop. I go to my folder for that particular website, which is SB Web Design. I've got a folder in there called Backups, which is empty at the minute. So all I need to do is find the files which are in the downloads. So in Windows, you can open up any folder, scroll to the top, downloads, and then you can see our 5 backup files. and all I do is cut them out of there. I do use keyboard shortcuts usually, but I'm just doing it very simple terms for the more beginner users. And then I go to my SP Web Design folder, backups, and then I will paste them into the backup folder. And it's as simple as that. Now, obviously, you don't really want to be wanting to remember to do this every week. You don't, you know, we all want to try and make our to-do lists smaller. So this is one of those elements where you want to automate to a cloud-based solution. So such as I use Google. I've got a Google folder. I've also got a Microsoft cloud storage version as well. But there are other versions as well, like Amazon S3. So if you just want to do one backup every month, then this is probably what you want to do. Stick it on your to-do list on your Outlook calendar. Now, if obviously you don't update your website, then you only have to do one backup, and then we've got the whole backup of the website now. So if anything happened, if you got hacked, if you needed to reinstall this, I will be doing another video on how to restore a site from the updraft backups. So if you need to look at that video, then obviously just go to my YouTube channel and search in there, or my Facebook page, which is SB Design Print. If you haven't liked my page already, please do give it a like, because we upload loads of free information for our new and existing clients. So hopefully you've learned something new again, and I'll see you on the next video. If you've got any questions, obviously send a message through the Facebook page, or send me an email. My email address should be on here somewhere. If you just need it now, it's Stephen with a V at onewebdesignberry.co.uk. Okay, cheers guys.